Alright, I'm trying something here. Trying to load that Scratch Fanmade thing on this tablet that I just recorded. It's already giving out issues as far as you can see. It's running, but I don't get anything that I like. So, what do I do with this? Do I just run it on my Raspad? Like, it's not working. I just turn it into like an MS-DOS computer or something. And that's refresh speed. Can I reload this? Is there like a setting to like reduce like the RAM usage? I've been trying for like half an hour now to get this going. It was so close, and it decided to die. Wait, can I reload it? It's saying error. How do I reload this without like killing everything again? That's 512 megabytes of RAM now. Whoa! Hold on. That initial load was pretty quick. There's no app for this yet. Scratch Junior, but that's officially done made it down. We're trying for like more than half an hour now. What if this was just turn off ad block? Maybe that's just overloading it. Oh yeah, it's not responding. Okay, turn off the ad block. Turn it into a JPEG. And I'm gonna have to kill it completely. I'm gonna see if Scratch actually works in its original browser. Alright, let's see. Will this still work on the Android 5 browser? Scratch dot mit dot edu slash projects slash editor. Whoa! Oh, quick loading time. Come on. Oh, it doesn't work. It's too new to work. The screen's so bright. The time of filming this, the first one is still uploading. This is gonna boot up my Raspad then. Even though the battery's dead. Oh my gosh. Fan growls back to life. Still left the brightness at minimum from the demo. Oh! The fan's been making bad noises for like some time now. Creating project, yeah, that's the default one. That's actually what crashes it too. Okay. I've clicked load from your computer. There we go. Documents. Yeah, dies again. Alright, I'm gonna Bluetooth this to my Raspad because this is amazing. It can't even run it. I'm gonna turn on the Bluetooth. I'm gonna Bluetooth this over to the Raspad. Alright, it was dinner time, so I couldn't finish the video on time, but it's so crappy, you can't even do the simplest thing. Run a Scratch project that's like extremely simple or something. Pathetic piece of crap. Oh, it's no longer working actually now. This is what it always does. It just stops working. No, there it is. Bada bing bada boom. I had a 64 again. If I already showed that, but. Crap. I hope the screen. Yeah, there it is. 492 megs total available. Look at that. 168 megs free. It's like Windows 95 days. CPU here. Oh, there we go. Whoa. Whoa, I've never had that happen. What? Does the. Oh. That doesn't work. So, I'm gonna Bluetooth this over. I'm gonna just start Bluetoothing it. File manager. Download. And I'm gonna Bluetooth this to my Raspad. Of course, I can also connect it over USB. But, well, you know, people brag about Bluetooth. I use it for Nokia's, this Bluetooth. Oh, you can click always. There we go. It's gonna pop up in here. I'm gonna turn up that volume so they can hear the nice notification sound. It has not received the signal yet. Okay. Probably it's because of all the local interference from the entire neighborhood. On the Wi-Fi 4, the next door neighbors have TP-Link Deco Wi-Fi. One little thing is that they're not IEEE 802.11 compliant. As the way they work, they're terrible. Why doesn't it let me just beam it over? Work. Urgh. It's probably not allowing it. This file. Modern Android's trash. Oh. Whoa. No, that's the wrong file. That's an APK. Maybe I should have to rename it to to a JPEG, as that always seems to work for me. Verzonde bestanden. Inhoud wordt niet ondersteund. Okay, let me fix that. No, I have to rename the entire thing. .jpeg. So now it's .sb3. Okay, let me see. Did I put Z archive on there, or can I just get like documents UI? Okay, I can get documents UI running. I love how they integrated like the Android 9 plus rounded corners thingy. It doesn't really suit this. The screen's actually like this. This is so terrible. Okay. Uh. I literally, there it is. It just doesn't have an app icon because you're normally not able to access it. There we go. SD kaart verbergen. Documents has stopped. Show SD. What? This doesn't work. Oh, this is terrible. Downloads. Download list. Download manager. Size limit activity. Share via Bluetooth. OPP transfer activity. Alright, I'm giving up with Bluetooth. It's terrible. You can't even send like an arbitrary file to it. Let's just plug it in over USB. I'm gonna leave the power cable plugged in just so that it stays charged on my tablet. Charged enough for what I'm trying to do. There we go. Now I've got access to the file system. And I can just go... Oh! Oh, whoa. Oh, okay, there it is. I can just go, like... Just, like... Copy to my internal storage. Is it already done? Okay, then I can plug it. Now let's go to scratch.mit.edu. It's gotta wait. Scratch.mit.edu. And I'm gonna turn on that volume now. To like this 60. No, 50. The speakers can go loud. No EQ. I've actually gotten stereo sound to work on my headphones. I open it up because I realized at school that the headphones, if you push it in hard enough, it will get stereo sound. So I relocated the motherboard a little bit. Now if you push hard enough, it will make connection and it will stay connected. And I get stereo sound. I just literally tested it a while back. It is sluggish.com. Scratch.mit.edu. I typed that. This is what you call AdBlock loading simulator. When you want to use the browser, but you can't because AdBlock needs to load. I'm very strict on ads. Like, they're just terrible. I didn't tell you to do that. I told. Oh my god, this is there we go. Oh, that was the one. Okay, well, no worries here. I'm just gonna open it up. Look at how much faster it is. Like, I could just create. Tutorial gets started. Load it. Don't care. Just load. Creating project. Okay. Close the tutorial. Let's open the file. Load from your computer. This is not a computer. This is a tablet. It's so stupid. And here it is. Loading project. Now here we go. Okay, I have to start it first. I was trying to turn the volume up. Oops. Alright, I'm gonna try it again, but I've already turned up the volume to max. Just so you can hear it. Well, but you know what did this? It's been like, I think he's been like, I think he's been following my channel since. He actually did like that video with that ding. So let's see. I think it's in my notifications. Hold up. This tablet's not responding right. It's not done. Well, I mean, this guy literally made. He made the freaking original file, and he actually provided it to me just now. He made the piano thing. You should check this channel out. I'm gonna link it in the. I'm gonna link it in the description. Touchscreen is getting a bit funky now because the battery's dying on this. If you think I'm lying, because this thing can't detect the battery, well, I've only got one dot left, and then it will just blink like low battery if it was already running. But I mean, I'm gonna link this channel in the description. You can check it out if you want.